Hey there! Okay, so I am at the villa again, and I'm staying for one night in the Duo studio. So let's check it out. Yeah, I go this way. Go this way? No. Yes, I do. I go this way. Ooh. Oh, Jungle Book. Alright. Here I am. Alright, where's the key? Here's the key. Hello. Why is this not open? Alright, the key card did not work, but I used my phone, so fun! Alright, so this is a duo, and I'm only here for one night, so it's not a big deal. But the pretty Princess Diana, my toilet is over here. And then standing shower. I guess I could turn the lights on. Light switch on. Woo! Alright. Like I said, keycard didn't work. Where's my bed? Dun, 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 dun. It's in the wall. So I'll pull it down later tonight. There should be a way to open up my balcony. Oh, look at the window goes this way. Let's see. I get a little balcony that overlooks the parking lot. I think that's the parking lot to downtown Disney. It's a nice little, thing. There's the other windows for all the other rooms, which is weird because some of those, I guess those are like the larger rooms. So, all right. It's all Jungle Book themed in the little tiny ones. Oh, I think I can get room service I want. All right. My favorite K-Cups. Keurig. Where's my refrigerator? Here's my refrigerator. Dun, 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 dun. Anyway, microwave. Drawers. It's a duo, so I don't have even the kitchen. I don't think I have the kitchenette, but it's weird because I do have dishes. I guess we just wash them in the bathroom. I cannot remember, but anyway, here's the closet. Still get more. You know, I just now noticed that there's a pillar there for Jungle Book. You still get your robes, iron, extra blankets. Laundry basket and ironing board is inside here. Yeah, so nice. I'm just gonna throw my stuff in because my family is awaiting me. Okay, really quickly. So it is Jungle Book, and they're sleeping. But this is the bed. It's pretty long. It is not nicely made like the usual ones, but it'll be fine. I'm only here for one night, so it's fine. Hey, thanks for watching. I know that this video is really short as far as a room tour goes. I will put a link to my longer duo room review, and hopefully you'll check that one out. In the meantime, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!